Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a TikTok ads pixel. Alright, let's begin. First, a TikTok pixel is a small piece of code that you add to your website. This allows you to track visitor actions, enabling you to tailor your advertising campaigns on TikTok more effectively. To start, navigate to the TikTok ads homepage. This is where you will manage all your ads, including creating and managing your pixel. Once you're on the TikTok ads page, look for the login button and click it. Enter your email and password associated with your TikTok ads account. If you don't have an account yet, now is the time to set one up. After entering your credentials, click the login button. You may encounter a CAPTCHA verification. Complete this challenge to proceed. After logging in, you might receive a code sent to your email for additional verification as part of TikTok's two-factor authentication process. Retrieve the code and enter it in the provided field. Now that you're inside your account, head over to the Tools tab on your dashboard. Click on Connect Data Source and then select Web. This indicates that you plan to track visitors to your website. Next, enter your website URL accurately. This is where you'll install the pixel. After adding your website, select Manually Install Pixel Code. This option gives you control over the installation process. Choose a descriptive name for your pixel, which will help you identify it later. So that's basically how you can create a TikTok ads pixel. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.